Hello, I'm Mary Locy with Cutler Real Estate in Northeast Ohio. Today we are on tip 2 for sellers, and that is wallpaper. Wallpaper went out of fashion about 20 years ago. And if your home has a lot of wallpaper, you may want to think about having some of that, if not all of it, removed, because when buyers come in to view your home, they are going to be thinking about how much work the wallpaper is going to be to remove and the cost of that. Removing wallpaper is a lot of work. You can do that yourself. You can go to places like Sherwin-Williams to get materials and advice on removing the wallpaper, or you can have it done professionally. And once you start this project, you're going to need to clean out the room in order to get to the walls. So that's also a good time to start packing up some of the things that are just sitting around, cluttering up the room. That way you're doing a few different things to get the home ready to put on the market. And once the wallpaper has been removed, refer to tip number 1, painting. Make sure that you use a nice neutral up-to-date color to paint the room. This will make a huge difference in the room, especially if the wallpaper has a lot of prints, flowers on it. Having that removed, painting it a neutral color is going to make the room really look larger, actually, and more appealing when a buyer comes in to see the home. Stay tuned for tip number 3.